Jill is going to be sharing some of her secrets to nailing the perfect updo. It is holiday season, and that means that everyone wants some glam secrets. So today you have two models.
I do.
I'm one of them.
This one.
And then Kaylee is standing by right over here, so let's head over.
Cool. Awesome. Hi, Kaylee.
Hello. I'm so excited.
You're so excited.
Can't wait to get my updo.
Right? Kaylee, tell me a little bit about your hair.
So you told me it was thick,
It
which
is
I did
thick.
not know
It
that
is
it
thick.
was.
Yes.
Who knew?
Yes. Who knew?
It's like a little coarse, so I have
Okay.
to use a blow dryer
Okay.
or like some sort of a hot tool to calm it down.
To calm it down. Okay, cool.
But it'll hold a curl.
Yeah,
So
okay, great.
It's like easy to style.
Awesome. Okay, and do you do updos with your hair?
I do ponytails.
Ponytails.
Sometimes.
Okay. And do they
That
stay?
counts.
Do they stay for you?
Not all the time.
It's a little tricky. Okay,
Yes.
cool. Awesome. Well, I'm going to show you like a really quick spin-off of that ponytail. Since you're comfortable doing that, I'm going to give you an updo that you're comfortable with putting up quickly.
Yes.
You
I
ready,
can't
girl? Okay, so the only thing I really prepped Kaylee with before is I brushed her out, and then I'm going to use the Orbe Dry Texture Spray. Come up here in the root, kind of like I showed you guys over there on Gina. Spray real good in here. And this just kind of gives me a little lift. And Kaylee, is your hair like 1 day old? Like, did you wash a day ago?
I washed it yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. So this is just kind of perfect. I don't quite need a dry shampoo yet. You're just not really there with it. So I'm going to use this one instead.
So you can use the dry texturizing spray as
Absolutely,
dry
because
shampoo?
the idea is that it's just absorbing all the oil, right? So this is a drying product, so then you can put it where it's oily.
perfect.
All right, put
smells
that in
so good.
there.
I know.
I would wear it as
can't get
her.
over it. She was like spraying it directly at me, and I was like, yes, please.
Yes, please give me more. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna twist Kaylee here for you. So we're just gonna do a really, really simple ponytail. I like everything to appear very like effortless. So even on my red carpet styles, you guys, well, depending on what I'm doing, I use my fingers a lot. Just get in there. Yes, there's all these fancy brushes out there, and they're definitely needed at times. But when you think about it, you want things to feel undone, kind of, and effortless.
I think that's what's scary about updos. Is that
Totally.
you're like nervous to make them too casual.
Yeah, and we also don't want to feel too like old school, right? Where it's
100%.
like, we're like, ooh, this looks like prom from, I don't even know, 1992 or something. Just too done, too perfect. So I'll smooth the underside. The top I'm gonna leave like with my fingers here. And then get a big, large rubber band, because Kaylee, like I said, has thick hair. Go up in here. This look could be adjusted for any type of hair length. You can go higher with it if you prefer that. You can go lower, wherever you kind of feel like it's the most flattering. I'm going to go in here and give her a little lift, just because that's flattering. Remember, to check your profile when you do updos. And that's just a quick little, turn in the mirror. Nothing crazy. And then this
I love this.
look I'm going to do on you, I call it a scarf bun, okay?
Okay.
You can switch this look up by doing something glittery and fun like this. We'll use it for holiday. Or you could do like a, more like a bandana style if you wanted. It could be like a cute
silk scarf.
Yeah, silk scarf, summertime thing, something like that.
I was gonna say, I feel like this is like leftover from my Halloween costume.
Exactly.
Your
Okay,
Lisa
then I
One
go.
of my 45 costumes.
I heard you had 12.
I really like Halloween.
Oh my goodness,
I think
girl.
Brittany was my favorite.
Thank you.
That's amazing. Okay, so as I go, I just put the scarf down the middle. I'm gonna wrap it. I split the hair into 2 sections. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna spin you one more time, and I'm gonna ask you to hold this side for me. And as I go, I just wrap around the hair. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, I want this to be something that you guys can do at home. I'm gonna take here. Gina, would you be so helpful as to bring me some of the darker bobby pins?
Of course.
So from here, I crisscross. I'm gonna wrap that up and around, bring it down in here, and then just to help hold,
There's glitter flying.
and I mean, this is like a good New Year's look, so we gotta get the glitter flying,
Got
right?
it.
So I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna pin in what seems to be popping out. And then from here,
that's
do a
it?
cute little
easy.
tie. And that kind of depends on you, what your hair, how thick your hair is. You can do more if you need to do more, anything like that. And gonna keep spinning you here so we can see. But again, you can customize this with different scarves.
It's so cute.
It's so fast. It's so easy.
Oh my gosh, it looks like you
right?
just spent an hour doing that.
Yeah.
Also, I really
Exactly.
like the volume here.
Volume right in the top. Keep spinning you here so they can see this side. Exactly. You can customize the front if you want softness around your face. Pull that out or anything like that. And
Yay.
it's something you can do like
So
that.
cute.
Yay!
Which way do I go? This way?
There's-
Hello again.
We're just gonna keep on spinning ya, girl. All right, Gina.
I'm up.
How about you?
Okay.
Come on
do
in,
it.
girl.
Great.
So Gina, tell me about your hair.
So my hair is obviously a little bit on the shorter side.
Yeah.
I have tried not to heat style it so much anymore because
Yeah.
I dyed it a lot.
Okay.
So it's currently in recovery.
Yeah.
It's kind of in rejuvenation mode.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I don't do a ton of styling,
Okay.
but definitely interested to learn more about updos because I feel like updos are really hard for
Yeah,
shorter hair.
For short hair. Do you do
Yeah.
them? Do you attempt? No.
I do like a messy low bun and then like all the hairs fall out and it's a bad look. But
Okay. Okay, girl. All right. I'm gonna spin you and I'm gonna show everyone your hair length here. So Gina's about, just a little past her shoulder here. I'm gonna show you guys a quick, easy way that she can kind of tackle this updo, and it's gonna make her look like she has so much more hair than she actually has. So right here where her hair starts to split naturally, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Unite Expanded Dust. It's this powder that you puff into there, right? This is like a good go-to product too. Anytime you can find something with hair fibers in it, because it just kind of holds onto the hair and it helps
Like
just
a
give
little
that.
powder gun.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
how cool.
Exactly. All right, then we're gonna take the hair into 3 ponytails. And I'm gonna leave a little bit out in the front, but I'm gonna section 3 ponytails for a strategic reason. I don't want to create any weird parts happening through the back. So I'm gonna make sure when I take my sectioning, I will go 1 from the side, 1 down the middle, and include all these hairs into it. And then again on the side, so that way you're not gonna see a part running down through the middle,
Oh, that's such a cool trick.
right?
I feel like that's
Like-
always what makes a hairstyle look kind of amateur is like the
100%.
little,
Yeah,
the
when you
kinks in the
see,
back.
yeah, or even like 2, it's just a little bit, you don't have as much hair to work with.
yeah.
So I am doing a ponytail that's like 2.5 times around, okay? So when I pull this through, I wrapped it twice, and then I'm leaving a little boop, boop, whatever you call that.
A little happy.
Like a little, has a little pom-pom in the back. I don't know. Here we go. I'm gonna spin you, babe, just a little. There we go. Same thing here,
It's
very
already adorable on the
loosely, right? Pulling all this up because I want some volume to work with here. Okay, so again, 2.5 times. Pull this through. And if you had longer hair, you could pull it all the way out and then you'd have more to kind of bun with. But since Gina's hair is a little bit shorter, I'm gonna use the 2.5 times. Okay, then from here, I'm just gonna start kind of separating, pulling it apart a little bit, and then start pinning. My other favorite trick, you guys, with bobby pins, don't try to like pull them apart and do all that. Put your bumpy side down against the skin because it gets more grip that way. Just grab the hair, take it like this, and put it in.
It's like a
It's
tip
gonna give you way more grip
to end all tips.
Yeah,
I
right?
realized I had been using bobby pins wrong for
for a long time.
20 years.
My whole,
My
since
whole
the day I was born, I've been using bobby pins wrong.
And then you flip them around and it works so well.
It does, right?
It's
It gives you
crazy.
so much more grip in there.
But I'm like, where did the lies come from? Like, who taught all of us to use them incorrectly?
I don't know.
Probably like our dad. I know my dad always,
Probably.
my dad thought he could help me and then he was like, ugh.
Never
After I
mind.
passed like 7, he's like, oh, I can't braid your hair or do that anymore for you. So I like this to stay very loose, very effortless. And look how much more hair she appears to have by doing it in 3 sections like that. So then you just kind of place, I've been able to do about 2 bobby pins in each of these little poofs. And then you'll kind of take from there. Once I kind of then step back, you can look in a mirror at home, kind of see like, okay, how can we position this so it just looks a little bit more like the right shape happening? But I like things piecing out and flying away. I feel like it looks way more like, yeah, I just threw this up, right?
It's cooler. It's like,
Yeah, it is kind of.
I didn't try that hard.
It is cooler. And then I kind of want to put those together, so I'm going to weave one in, kind of tuck that there. I'm not a huge hairspray person, but for people that feel like they need a little extra hold, or if you're like really going to be cutting a rug on the dance floor, you know, and you got to like hold, which is you. This is for sure you, right?
Oh yeah.
Put that in there. Give a little lift. Again, we're watching that profile so that we make sure that we balance with our nose and we get some good fullness right around here. Piece this out, tuck things in. If you have a little flyaway here, you can use the hairpin style. And again, just kind of grab. We want to cover up some of these rubber bands in here, and we hairpin and tuck. Okay, so I want to add one more little sparkle because this is the holidays, right? What do you love over here?
Oh my gosh.
What do you want to add?
These are so much fun. I feel like these are the things I always see, and I'm like, I don't know what to do with those. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Yeah.
But these little branches are really calling to me.
Right? Aren't
I feel
these
like
so
it's like
cute?
a little fairy tale woods wedding.
Cute.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It totally is. Just remember with accessories, a little bit goes a long way, in my opinion. I feel like it's just a perfect little add-on. You don't need to get too crazy with it. And I just kind of would step back. I'd kind of see like, okay, well, this look good kind of placed in here. You know, push in a little bit. And it's just about adding a little sparkle in there. I think we want one on each side. A little offset, not too perfect. And she is ready to go. All right, show off your beautiful do here, girl.
Cool. I have no idea what it looks like,
It's
but I trust
adorable.
it's great.
It's so cute.
Super cute.
Ladies, you guys look so good. Oh my gosh, I'm
Ready
so
for a
jealous.
night.
I know, I'm
of
like,
both of your
whose
hairdos.
parties am I hitting tonight? Like, comment
Yeah.
below if you want to have me hang out.
Oh my goodness. You guys are super ready for the holidays.
I'm excited.
Jill, thank you so much for joining
so
us.
Thank you guys for having me.
Oh
It's
my
so
goodness,
fun.
thank you.
Thank you.
You guys.